In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Brochure in HubSpot CRM if you're getting ready to share a polished brochure with prospects or keep your marketing materials organized for your team. Adding it to HubSpot's Documents tool is quick and reliable. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can upload your file with confidence and know exactly what to expect along the way. Start by signing into your HubSpot account in your web browser. Make sure you're in the correct portal for your organization, since documents are stored within each account. If you have multiple roles, you'll want to be using an account with access to sales tools, as that's where the documents feature lives. Once you're in, look at the top navigation bar and open the sales menu. This is the hub for outreach and content you share with contacts. From the sales menu, select Documents. You'll land on your Documents library, where all previously uploaded files appear. If your library is empty, that's perfectly fine. You're about to add your first brochure. If you don't see documents, your permissions or subscription level may limit access, so check with your admin later, but let's keep moving if you do see it. On the Documents page, click the Upload Document button. This begins the process of bringing your brochure into HubSpot so it's stored, searchable, and ready to use in your sales communications. When prompted, choose from your computer. This tells HubSpot you're selecting a file that's already saved locally. A file picker will open. Navigate to where your brochure is stored on your device, select the file, and confirm. Most standard brochure formats, like PDFs and common document or presentation files, work well. If your brochure has a long or cryptic file name, consider keeping it clear and descriptive before you upload, so it's easier to spot later in your library. After you select the file, HubSpot will start the upload. You'll see a brief progress indicator, and then your brochure will appear in the documents list. Give it a moment if the file is large or your connection is slower. Once it's visible in the library, your upload is complete and your brochure is stored in HubSpot. That's it. You've signed in, navigated to sales, opened the Documents tool, clicked Upload Document, chosen from your computer, and uploaded your brochure. With your brochure now in HubSpot, it's centrally managed and ready whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you want to add more brochures or similar materials.